Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am sitting here amongst all of my comfy, colorful pillow covers from Nymphia. I just wanted to share with you some feedback on them because I really like them. Each of them is a different pattern, as you can see. These are an 18 by 18 pillow cover. They are super bright and cheerful. They're made of a polyester fabric. They're super warm and cozy. They are a zip opening, so they're very easy to take the pillow out and change it up. And they just add such a bright, cheerful pop of color onto our sofa. I love the retro vibes that you get out of these, and they go well with anything in your room. I also really like that they are so warm and cozy. I don't have to worry about the family getting anything on them when we're sitting, because all you have to do is take them off and put them into the wash and you're good to go. Definitely the great pop of color that I was looking for in my living room, and that's my point of view.